Hello, my name is Mariah McMahon. I'm a researcher in David Oatey's laboratory at the University of Minnesota. I'm also a patient advocate and education outreach lead for our group, and because I have one foot in the lab and one foot in patient advocacy, I'm actually in a really great position to bring both of these communities closer together. Now, the main focus of our lab is to understand cancer cell migration in the context of GBM, glioblastoma, which is the most common primary brain tumor. And our lab uses a combination of live cell imaging and computational modeling to better understand the cell migration mechanisms that ultimately lead to cancer progression. Our lab has a unique collaboration with a professional dance group, Black Label Movement, headed by Carl Flink, where we use the dancers to create human-scale, instantaneous models of our scientific research. And that allows us a sort of beta test environment to test model theories prior to committing the time and resources into actually coding those models. We additionally use body storming to communicate with the public for scientific outreach activities as well as our patient advocacy activities. We've incorporated body storming into our Cancer in the Body event held at the Science Museum in Minnesota, as well as our booth at the State Fair, as well as we've held sessions at the Neuro-Oncology Symposium in 2018, as well as the PSON Annual Investigators Meeting in 2019. We found that body storming is an effective tool at communicating scientific concepts to lay audiences because it allows participants to feel what it's like as a cancer cell, which demonstrates concepts that may not be so easily grasped through histology slides or other mediums. Other patient advocacy activities of our lab include providing a virtual lab tour to a brain tumor support group, as well as a brief Q&A session. I also reviewed the work that our lab is currently working on, as well as what would happen to their resection sample should they choose to donate it to science. I found that our discussions surrounding their disease were profoundly impactful for how I think about this cancer, and it also allowed myself as a researcher to personally thank them for their contributions. Thank you so much for your time. If you are interested in either learning more about body storming or about getting in contact with local cancer support groups, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.